Hi everyone, so today I want to show you all the ultimate gears in the game Eatventure. So recently I just got all the ultimate gears in this game. That's why I want to show you quickly. And I'm not going to show you the legendaries one because I don't have all the legendary gears. So let's start with the headgear. So first of all is the robot hat, which came from the moon event. So the stat is very good. Most people would agree this is the best headgear in the game. So plus currently I have it at level 31, so plus 1050% of all profit. And the stat is all workers plus 50% chance to make perfect food, and all workers walk plus 116% faster. So those are very good stats. And then the next one is the shark head, which most people would agree this is not a good ultimate at all. So this is from the Seaport event. So this is level 1. I don't upgrade it at all. So plus 243% all profit. Food is made plus 500% faster, and all workers make food plus 65% faster. The next one, Royal Crown. This is from the Middle Ages event. So again, level 1 plus 243% all profit. All workers plus 20% chance to make food instantly. And all workers make food plus 300% faster. The next one, the Torch Helmet. This is from the Mine event. In my opinion, this is the second best headgear in the game, but just my opinion. So all workers make food plus 200% faster, and all workers walk 150% faster. So not bad. This one actually provides a faster all worker walk speed even than the robot had. And next, let's move on to the body. So the first one, of course, as you can see, I have this one. This is arguably the best body in the game. Anyway, but that's legendary. But in this video, we're just going to talk about the ultimate. So the first one, tool belt, is from the mines event. So all workers plus 30% chance to make perfect food, and all workers make food plus 100% faster. Next one from the Seaport event, Shark Ultimate, is all workers plus 50% chance to make food instantly, and all workers walk plus 90% faster. So this is probably the best body ultimate in this game, but it walks a lot slower than this one. That's why I don't use that. I prefer this one, but this one, a lot of people use this as well because this one can actually give you 100% instant and 100% perfect with the correct gear. But let's move on. The next one is the Royal Robe. It's from the Middle Ages event. All workers plus 30% chance to make food instantly, and all workers make food plus 400% faster. The next one is the robot suit. This is from the Moon event. Food is made plus 300% faster, and all workers make food plus 150% faster. This is arguably the worst ultimate gear in the game. Now let's move on to the tools. So the first one is the laser gun. All workers plus 20% chance to make perfect food. All workers plus 60% chance to make food instantly. So this is arguably the best ultimate tool in the game, and I have two of them because that's part of the meta gear or whatever you call that. As you can see, actually I'm wearing the meta gear right now with the meta pets. The next one is the Royal Scepter. This is from the Middle Ages, plus 65% chance to prepare food instantly. This is just personal, not all workers. Just keep that in mind. And then all workers plus 50% chance to make perfect food. So this is probably the second best, just in my opinion, because it gives you 50% chance to make perfect food for all workers. So if you have two of these, it gives you 100% chance to make perfect food already. And then the next one is the Pickaxe. This is from the Mines event, plus 60% chance to make perfect food, and all workers plus 30% chance to make perfect food. So not bad as well. And then the last one is the Anchor from the Seaport event. All worker plus 30% chance to make perfect food, and all workers make food plus 100% faster. So feel free to pause the video to look at the stats yourself. All of them will have plus 243% all profit at level 1, so just keep that in mind. And this is currently the meta gear, so robot hat plus this one, the black belt, and 2 laser guns. So you can see here, currently I have, this is my stat here. So all workers walk 306 96% faster, customer order instantly, perfect food is worth times 2 more, all workers plus 90% chance to make perfect food, and all workers plus 120% chance to make food instantly. And then the second meta build is this, I can actually show you right now, is it involves the shark body and one laser gun and probably the scepter, or you can use scepter slash pickaxe or the anchor. So it will give you all workers plus 110% chance to make food instantly, all workers walk 206% faster, all workers plus 120% chance to make food perfect food. So that's why with the shark body, you can get over 100% chance of instant and perfect food for all workers. But you work a lot slower, so it's just 206% instead of 396. That's why I prefer the black belt and 2 laser guns over here, because you only lose 10% chance of perfect food, which is, not that much, but you walk twice as fast for all your workers. And then I can show you quickly the pets. I mean, I have 3 ultimate pets. They are actually, this one is epic. This is originally legendary, but you can merge 3 legendary pets to become an ultimate pet, and you need 2700 pet food to get an legendary pet and 8100 pet food for an ultimate. So will take quite a while. So they're all at level 12 right now, as you can see. So dark horse is all perfect food is worth times 2 more, and then the panda is customer order instantly and pets deliver food plus 900% profit directly to customer. So this is currently the best gear or the best setup, the meta setup for now. So anyway, feel free to leave any questions in the comment section. So anyway, thanks for watching.